Hi everybody, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. and the hosts are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Happy Sunday, it's Sunday. I'm watching Iowa and South Carolina play while I'm about to fix a little din-din. So today, what I have on the menu, at the request of my friend Dale, I'm gonna make some Maryland crab cakes, because we live here in Maryland. I'm gonna make a healthy salad, and she asked me to make some spicy steak fries, so I'm gonna take a stab at that. So what I've done is I have my potatoes here, and I'm going to drizzle a little oil, a little olive oil on them, and then I'm going to season them up. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on my potatoes to season them up. And so Dale, I hope they are good. I'll have the taste tester. I told him to go downstairs because he had the TV up too loud, so I told him to go downstairs so when everything is done, he can come back up and taste it. Sorry I haven't been posting many videos lately, guys. I have a lot going on, some big changes coming this year. So I've been busy and I don't know how often I'm gonna be posting late spring and over the summer, but we'll see. I'll think of something, okay? I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. And are y'all got your glasses ready for tomorrow? I have my glasses. I'm not sure if I'm gonna look, but I got my glasses. But anyway, let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm using for my meal today, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so look, let's start off with the potatoes. So what I have done is I have started preheating my oven. I'm gonna put this oven up to 430. That's what it's working on now. And we're gonna bake these spicy potato wedges on 430 for 35 to 45 minutes. And I'm not sure about how spicy they're going to be, but they're going to be potato wedges. Nonetheless, I hope they are really good, Dale. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the potato wedges. So first off, I'm going to massage them with some olive oil first. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So once I get them nice and massaged, I'm going to add some McCormick's garlic and onion, black pepper, and sea salt, some Italian seasoning. I'm still going to add a little kosher salt and black pepper, but I'm not going to use a lot because we already have it in this seasoning here, but I'm going to add a little more with these two. I'm going to add some paprika for color, and I'm going to add a little garlic to make them a little garlicky. Okay, so those are the seasonings that I'm going to add to my potatoes. Now let me just show you the potatoes real quick. Are the potato wedges. Now I'm using red potatoes. I'm sure you can use any kind of potatoes that you want. I didn't make a lot because we don't need a lot, okay? Now I will say this, these potatoes are a lot less fattening than if you were to go out and buy fries, okay? It's always healthier and less calories if you make your potatoes at home. Let's move on over to the crab cakes, okay? So we're gonna bling these crab cakes out with this Old Bay crab cake classic mix, which I'm sure many of you have used before. As you can see, I have some Hellmann's real mayonnaise, some Grey Poupon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, some parsley flakes, and seasoning. Seasoned breadcrumbs, not seasoning, seasoned breadcrumbs. So I'm using premium pasteurized lump crab meat, okay? And I just picked this up yesterday from the Safeway, and I'm going to beat up 1 egg. So that should be pretty tasty. And so we will be watching while I make those. And then moving over, because you know we have to have a little greenery. So I have some iceberg lettuce mixed in with some kale, tomatoes, and some avocado. So I think that's pretty healthy. And guess what, guys? You know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. Sometimes I would rather eat at home than to eat in the store. You know, I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down in the comment box below. Now, I guess, hey, look, if you can't cook or you don't like to cook, then you don't, you know, might want to go get some takeout or eat out. And hey, look, do I like eating out? Yeah, once in a while, but not that much, you know, not that much. It has to be like a really nice restaurant, okay? So anyway, keep watching. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna drizzle the olive oil on the potatoes, and these potatoes take about 35 to 45 minutes. So I'm starting off with those, and then I mixed all my seasoning up right here. So if I need a little more, I'll add a little bit more. I decided not to add too much garlic, that liquid garlic. I decided not to add that just yet. So we're gonna drizzle this up. Yes, and I think this is going to be just fine. I don't think I need to add any more. So let me just show you. I'm going to see if you can see what they're looking like. So you see that? So that looks pretty good. They're nice and seasoned up. And I'm going to put these in a relatively small pan. It's only my hubby and I, so I'm not going to make a whole lot of potatoes, okay? So that's that. So let me rinse my gloves off. Type of pan. Let me see what kind of pan I want to use. Okay, so I think I will pop them in this pan. I always wipe my pans out. Spray it with a little pan. Okay, so that's perfect. All right, so that's that. So take you off the ring and let you look at that up close, all right? So what you think? They look seasoned enough to me, okay? And so my oven is now on 430, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and while these are baking, I'll start with the crab cakes. All right, guys, so let me just tell y'all something. Miss Jean went left. I said I was gonna use this, but sometimes I've used this Old Bay crab classic mix in the past, well, many times in the past, and sometimes it's not, it doesn't give my crab cakes the consistency that I would like. So all of the other ingredients I decided to use and not use this one. Like, okay, I might use what this. I decided to use instead, like I mentioned to you, I used all of the other ingredients, which would have been 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce. I left that out before. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Of course, I had the lump crab meat, 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and that was it. So I used that in lieu of using this Old Bay crab cake classic. Say that 3 times fast. All right, so look, check it out. When I use the other ingredients and not this, let me show you something. Okay, look at the consistency of those. Look how nice they turned out. So let me just tell you something about these though. I'm gonna bling them out with a little paprika to give it a little nice browning. And then we're gonna see how these bad boys are looking when I fry them up in my stainless steel pan. Like, I love this pan. I think this is a Wolfgang Puck frying pan, stainless steel fryer, but I really love this frying pan. It cooks and sautés everything well, okay? Now, let me show you something else. While those potato wedges are baking, I decided to make this salad. Now, my husband is not a fan of the kale. He's gonna say, oh, why you put that in it? He likes just iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce has 0 nutrients in it. So what's the point of eating a salad if you're not going to have any vitamins in it? So I put some kale in it. He may pick it out. I don't know. I put avocado in it. He doesn't like that. He could just straight up eat iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And that's fine if that's what you like. But I have to have, I have to have a little greenery. So that's my salad. So let's check on the potatoes. Keep watching. All right, so this is what my potato wedges are looking like. And it's just been about 35 minutes and they're nice and tender. See, they're nice and tender. You can just stick, the fork goes right to the bottom. So I don't think I'm gonna pop, maybe for 2 minutes. Maybe I'll put them back in and then I'll take them back out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna sprinkle some paprika on my crab cakes and start those. Keep watching. All right, guys, how they looking? Pretty good, right? Pretty good. That's why you have to add a little paprika. Keep watching. Can y'all believe it? South Carolina won. Oh my